How to order a Ride on Bolt app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Initially launch the Bolt app on your mobile device. Then click on Where to box on the home screen. Now in the first box, enter your pickup location. You can either type your current location or select a spot by selecting the map icon. Then move the pin to the exact pickup point. Furthermore, confirm your pickup location. Next, move to the second box and enter your destination address and confirm your destination. After setting your pickup and destination, it's important to add a payment method. You can link a credit or debit card or select any other payment option available in your region. Finally, review your details and hit Request Ride button to confirm your booking. And that's all. I hope this video helped.